I'm Victor Montoya, and I helped build Bkwds, the app for hikers, mountain climbers, along with Thuy, Andrew, Usman, Alex, Frank, and John. So Bkwds is an app for hikers, trailblazers, and climbers. We've implemented many core features, including planning, tracking your trip, sharing through social, and a couple of safety features. Now I'm going to pass it over to Thuy, who's going to tell you how you can get started.
Thank you. Now let's sign in and get connected. If you already have a social account like Google, you can skip the registrations. With single sign-on, the next time you log in, you don't need to re-enter your credentials. We use 5-way authentication for a complete drop-in solutions and allow multiple social providers.
Okay, and now we're going to go to our create trip view where users can plan and create their trip. Our map functionality is built using the Google Maps API integrated into React. And we can plan our route by adding waypoints to the map. Once we're happy with that, we can finish the process by clicking Create Trip.
Once the trip is created, we draw the trip's pathline and calculate the distance and elevation delta between them, which you can see here. We also draw an SVG chart, which uses D3 to take a bunch of, uses the Google Elevations API to take a bunch of samples along the path, and D3 to actually draw it. And in the D3 callback, we just draw a little blue dot on the screen, depending on where the elevation was taken.
Okay, once the user decides to start their trip, they're presented with the option to activate our built-in safety feature, which will send an SMS alert using the Twilio API if the user does not complete their trip within their specified time limit.
So once the user started the trip, they can mark individual waypoints as complete. And you can see that the path line is updating colors to indicate that. And once the user has completed a trip, it will appear on their dashboard among their other trips.
The public-facing trip is for when we want to share the trip with someone. The component provides live update of the trip. When we click the share button, a modal pops up and gives you the link for the public-facing trip. When clicked, the link is copied and is ready to be shared. The component is similar to actual active trip, however, it uses public routes and endpoints instead of protected ones. The upgrade tab has subscription option. Stripe.js was used for handling billing. Upgrading the subscription gives you premium features such as number of trips and will eventually have additional features like offline maps.